Hello guys, hello my people. Hope you are all good. I've missed you. So don't mind my hair guys. Nimevaa juu niko just in the house. So I want to show you how to wash your fridge. I know there are a lot of ways how you can wash your fridge, but let me show you how I wash my fridge. Yeah. And nimekawia. Okay, niliosha kuna time ilikuwa imeoshwa but nimeiangalia nikaona iko na uchafu, so I want to wash it. You are supposed to do this weekly. Unajua? But at times unaambianga mtu oshe weekly na kudanganya ameosha but hajaosha anyway. There's nothing we can do, okay? So let me show you the things that I use, how I wash it. Yeah. So stay with me, keep tuned. So I use this is a basin. So I add some water, and in this basin you can put some lemon, but I don't have lemon right now. What I have is white vinegar, this one. Yeah, this is what I use. I'll just put one kifuniko. Let me show you guys. One like that. So you pour in your water, and if you have some lemon you put it there inside. Lemon zangu zimeisha, nimekunywa juu ya homa zimeisha. So you take your water, so let me bring my kitambaa. I'll use this one. Yeah guys, this is my fridge. I hope you can see it well. So hii fridge ni chafu. Acha niseme tu hivyo cause nilikuwa nimebuy, what do you call it, nilikuwa nimebuy greens tukaziweka. So venye tuliziweka hapa ndani zikamwaga maji zikafanya nini. So I decided today wacha nijioshe mimi mwenyewe cause me prefer kujifanyia kitu more than kufanywa na mtu. So sahi I've switched it off. Yeah. Ndo isikuwe na hiyo cold mingi. So what I do, huwa naeka kila kitu kando. So my fridge. So I'll take my water. And tumeweka vinegar. So, guys, what I do, huwa natoa hizi. Hizi lazima niweke huko. And this one. Yeah, so my fridge inakaa hivyo. Then I take my water. You just wipe, you know. Hainanga kazi mingi. You just wipe well. Kuna watu wanaekanga fridge aoshangi, anadhaninge ioshangwi, but it's good. Once a week, mi na niningi Saturday ndo nasema general cleaning. So by Saturday inaoshwa vizuri. So I don't know guys if you are seeing. So this is how I do it. Naona guys huku, you see here. We do it like this. Kuzuku pia inakuanga na uchafu sana. So when we finish, we come here to the door. Yeah. Hii wasitoanishi hii. Natakanga ikae tu hivyo iko. So you just wipe well. Imagine kitu ya dakika kidogo and you are finished. I don't know why ukiambia mtu apanguze mtu anaona kama ni kazi mingi. Just dakika tu kidogo and you are through. So this is how I wipe. I wipe even huku na huku nje. You wipe it well, just well. You see? So hii part ya chini tumeshamaliza guys. We finished. So I'll just close it. I come to this part here. Na vitu nimeweka. So I want to wipe this one, but I will remove this one. So haina ice mingi, so I'll just use this. But if you're not ice mingi, you just use this one to scoop. Yeah. Let me show you what I'm doing. So guys, I'm sorry my light is off, your ring light, but I'm almost done. So when I finish, I just wipe ukuju. And I'm done. Sitashinda nikipanguza huko nyuma. Kuna time nilikuwa nimepanguza. So I'm done guys, but hizi vitu za ndani, let me show you. Vitu za ndani, these ones I'll have to wash them. So let's go and I'll show you how I do wash them. So guys, here we are. I want to wash this one. So when I wash it, or when I wash them, I use soap and water. Hope this video will be helpful to you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. You see that I wash it. Jesus. So this is how I wash them. You just wash kama kawaida. Ninaoshanga tu vyombo. Just like that, and you see it's clean. So I do take something like this one, a basin, and I put it inside. Yeah, let's wash this one. See guys, clean. Make sure you wash everything, even this one. Guys, I do wash even this one. So I don't know if hizi zitatoka. Let me first wash this one. You see this one, hizi ni zile vioo zenye mtu anaekeleanga something, maybe food, and you be careful, unaweza vunja. So you have to wash it well. So this one, we have this one, ile freezer. This thing is so cold, you know. Kukosi kumanage kuzima fridge kitambo sana. You're supposed to switch it off. So guys, after that we have this one. Wanaoshanga fridge na sabuni. The people who wash their fridge using soap, kama hiyo maji unaweka soap. But nimeangalia nikaona lemon inakuanga sawa, na uko na hii white vinegar still iko sawa. Yeah, at least hizo ziwa bacteria. Make sure you wash well. Nakamua vizuri the soap. Me, I prefer washing my fridge. I prefer washing it once a week. So we are through. There are those ice cubes. Yeah. Mi situmiangi ice cubes sana. So at times unaweza pata zinakaa hapo for a long time. So nikiosha fridge mi huwa nazitoa. So you see guys, everything is clean. So let's go back and I'll show you how to fix them back. So guys, let's put them back. Let's start with this one. Just put it like that. And then we come to here. Let me wipe my camera. Seeing it's dirty. Yeah. There we go. So guys, when you are putting them back, wipe them. You wipe them well, and then you put them back. So I'll just put some water on this so that I can put it here. Here it is, my water. Just put it there. And then this one I put it there. So guys, my fridge is clean. It's so clean now. You guys, you can see it's clean. So let me put my things back. So yeah, hizo ndo zile vitu niko nazo for now. So my fridge is clean. So that is how guys you can wash your fridge. Yeah, you use your white vinegar and lemon. Mtu anakatanga lemon ndani, mtu anafinyilianga maji, then unaikata unaiweka kwa hiyo maji, then unawash. You can use hot water, you can not hot, warm water. You can use cold water, like I've just used cold water. You just wipe your fridge well. Na ni dakika ngapi? Dakika tu kidogo and it's over. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.